gonna be making a blind bag. Here. Let me just start with here. I hate this. Oh my gosh. Let me just get my paper container where I put it. Here's my paper container.
Sige, lagay mo na lang dyan.
I'm just gonna use my scissors instead of my bare hands. Because using my scissors is a much crazier way. Better than the other one. There. Cutting it. There. Nice and steady there. Oops. Let me throw some paper in my Jollibee container box. There's nothing, okay? There's no food. We are gonna be making a mini blind bag, guys. Like this. Hold on, let me just get the glue. Okay. And hold on, let me also get the stick. Guys, are you still watching my videos? This. So guys, goodbye. Just watch me make the blind bag, okay? And watch me open it.